prepare the kaldin, I'll be using turmeric, finely chopped onion, finely chopped tomato, garlic pod, ginger, tamarind, cinnamon stick, dry coriander, cumin seed, cloves, black peppercorn, green chili, fine grated fresh coconut, fresh prawns, and okra or bende. Now let's season the prawns with the salt. Mix this well and leave this aside. So to prepare the kaldin masala, we'll need 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, 5 to 6 cloves, 10 to 12 black peppercorn, half inch of cinnamon stick, fresh ginger, 5 to 6 fresh garlic cloves, fresh green chilies, 1.5 tablespoon of dry coriander, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and 200 grams of freshly grated coconut. 1 cup of water, which is like almost 250 ml. Now let's grind this to a very fine paste. The masala is completely ready now. Now let's extract the coconut milk in a bowl. In a bowl, we will stain this using a strainer and we'll extract the coconut milk. We'll make it into 2 different layers. It's going to be a thick milk and a thin. So we're getting the thick milk out first. So I've already got the thick coconut milk now. It's completely juiced out. Now I'm going to take the blend and same pulp, I'm going to use it. And I'm going to use half cup of water in this. And blend this again. So the second batch of the grinding also is ready. So we're going to take this separately in a different bowl. So this is going to be a thin layer. And we're going to extract milk out from here also, whatever comes. So these 2 batches of thick coconut milk and thin coconut milk is ready. Now let's leave this aside and start with the other process. Use 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Use 1 large finely chopped onion. This for 2 minutes. 1 large fresh tomato finely chopped. So with this tomato, there's one thing what I've done. I've peeled the skin out of the tomato, so that will not leave any kind of tomato pulps that can be seen, and the tomato will well dissolve when you are making the kaldin. Just a small pinch of turmeric, this up to 5 to 6 minutes until the onion and tomato are very well dissolved. So you see the onion and tomatoes are very well done. Now I'm going to use a thin coconut milk to this. Let's put the bendes or the okras. Add salt for taste. Make sure you use accordingly because we have salt for the prawns as well. This is a tamarind water. I've used a small pot of tamarind, soaked it and I've brought the water out of it. So I'm going to add a little bit of water to this. Cover the lid, let it get cooked for 5 minutes and then we'll be adding prawns to that. Now let's add the prawns to this. Give a gentle mix. We'll cook this for about 2 minutes and then we're going to add the thick milk to this. Now let's add the thick milk. Our prawn kaldin is ready now. Let's serve it in a plate and I'm really hungry. So guys, enjoy this. Until then, love you all. Adios.